Does your Buxus suffer from disease? Want to ensure it stays healthy and green? Then use Westland Buxus 2-in-1 Feed and Protect for the highest level of protection yet. Buxus are specialist evergreen plants that have specific needs. Westland's 2-step feed helps the plant to withstand disease and works from the inside out to keep your Buxus looking at its best every year. To use, simply squeeze the bottle and fill the chamber of the Easy Dose measuring cap. Pour 1 shot from each of the bottles into a full watering can and water your Buxus. The green feed bottle contains all the essential nutrients to give your Buxus a boost of plant energy. The second red Protect bottle delivers a scientifically proven formulation that directly impacts the most common plant pests and diseases. What's more, it's pet, child and bee friendly, so plants can protect themselves without harmful pesticides. All whilst guaranteeing healthy green, glossier leaves and helping to prevent blight. For even better results, plant your Buxus in Westland tree and shrub planting and potting mix to really help plants to thrive.